And we're getting some breaking news about the Maratha quota showdown in Mumbai, as it is cops versus quota protesters in Mumbai, as cops try and evict the protesters from Azad Maidan. Remember, the Bombay High Court had given a 3 p.m. deadline to clear the Azad Maidan, and we're bringing you the visuals from the area where the police is getting the Maratha quota protesters out of Azad Maidan. This is the visuals that we are getting you from Azad Maidan, where the protesters who've been seeking a Maratha quota have been on a dharna. They've been protesting even on the streets earlier. And now the the Bombay High Court had given a 3 p.m. deadline to move all of these protesters out of the area. Mustafa is live with me on this story. Mustafa, what is happening on the ground? What do we know?
You can see that the Maratha protesters behind the police, it's like they are heckling the police here, and you can see the police is moving ahead and they are trying to, you can say that vacate the road which has been taken over by the protesters. You can see senior officers in front, there are women police constables, there are male police constables led by DCP. Behind, you can see the Maratha protesters which are present here. They are saying they are waiting for the orders of Manoj Jarange Patil what to do next, and they are not ready to vacate this road. This is the road just outside Azad Maidan. This is Mahapalika Marg. All roads have been vacated in Mumbai except for this Mahapalika Marg. Will go in front and show you the confrontation right now which is going on between the police and the vehicle drivers. See, you can see that there are protesters arguing with the police and not ready to remove the vehicle. You can this is the argument which is going on with the protesters and the police. Senior police officers are also present at the spot. They are trying to vacate this entire road. These vehicles are being removed. So clearly a police battalion has moved in after the High Court order that there is no more protest to be allowed in Azad Maidan. By 3 a.m. it has to be vacated. So the Mumbai police has started this evacuation from the main road of Azad Maidan first, because this road is under the possession of protesters.